Imagine a world where machines can generate their own content. Intriguing, isn't it? Welcome to the fascinating realm of generative AI. This cutting-edge technology is all about training machines to create. From artwork to music and even writing, generative AI is revolutionizing the way we think about creativity. But what is generative AI and why is it so captivating? At its core, generative AI is a subset of artificial intelligence, but it's not your everyday run-of-the-mill type. While most AI systems are designed to learn from data and make decisions or predictions, generative AI takes it a step further. It doesn't just learn, it creates. Imagine giving a machine a brush and a blank canvas, and it paints a masterpiece. That's the power of generative AI. It's not just about processing information, it's about producing original content. This is what sets it apart from other forms of AI, and it's why it's such a hot topic in the tech world today. Now, you might be wondering, why do we need machines to create? Isn't that what humans are for? Well, the beauty of generative AI lies not in replacing human creativity, but enhancing it. It's about harnessing the power of AI to push the boundaries of what's possible, to explore new ideas, and to innovate in ways we've never imagined. Generative AI opens up a world of possibilities. It could help us create more engaging content, develop better products, and solve complex problems. It's a tool, a partner in our creative process, and it's changing the way we think, work, and create. But it's not just about what generative AI can do, it's about the intrigue it holds. The idea that a machine can generate its own content, that it can learn, adapt, and create, is both exciting and a little bit intimidating. It challenges our understanding of what machines are capable of, and forces us to rethink the boundaries of artificial intelligence. So in essence, generative AI is a game changer in the world of artificial intelligence. It's like handing over the creative reins to a machine. Now let's dive deeper into the world of generative AI. At its core, generative AI is a subfield of artificial intelligence that leverages machine learning techniques to generate data. But what does that mean exactly? It means that these AI systems can create something new, something that wasn't there before. They can generate content, be it an image, a piece of music, a paragraph of text, or even a whole new concept. Let's break it down a bit. The building blocks of generative AI are generative models. These models are like the maestros of the AI orchestra, directing and shaping the creation of new data. They do this by understanding patterns in the data they've been fed, and then using that understanding to generate new similar data. Think of it like this. Imagine a talented artist who has spent years studying and painting flowers. This artist has seen so many flowers in so many contexts that they can easily paint a new flower from their imagination. They don't need a specific reference in front of them. They can create a brand new flower that still looks convincingly real. That's what generative models do, but with data. And how do these models learn to create? Through training. Training in generative AI is a bit like teaching a child to draw. The child starts with basic shapes, and as they practice and learn, they start creating more complex drawings. Similarly, generative AI starts with basic data and through training learns to create more complex data. But instead of using crayons and paper, generative AI uses algorithms and data sets. The AI is fed tons of data, let's say images of cats, and then it's trained to understand what makes a cat a cat. It learns the shapes, the colors, the patterns, and then it can generate a brand new image of a cat that doesn't exist, but still looks convincingly real. That's how generative AI works. It's a complex dance of data, algorithms, and training. The true magic of generative AI lies in machine learning. Now you might be wondering, what does machine learning have to do with generative AI? Well, just about everything, my friends. Machine learning is the brain behind the curtain, the wizard pulling the strings. It's a subset of artificial intelligence that uses algorithms to find and learn patterns in data. But it doesn't stop there. Once it learns these patterns, it can use them to make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed to do so. In the context of generative AI, it's this ability to learn and apply patterns that enables the creation of new, unique content. Consider this. You're teaching a child to draw a cat. You show them several pictures of cats, pointing out the whiskers, the tail, the pointy ears. After a while, the child starts drawing their own cats, each one a bit different, but still recognizably a cat. That's machine learning in a nutshell. Generative AI, with the help of machine learning, is that child eagerly learning from the data we feed it and then creating its own content. But let's not forget, the quality of the output depends heavily on the quality of the input. You've probably heard the phrase garbage in, garbage out. This couldn't be more true for machine learning. If we feed it low-quality data or data that's biased, the generated content will reflect those shortcomings. It's like trying to teach that child to draw a cat using pictures of dogs. The result will be a bit off, to say the least. So the importance of quality data in machine learning cannot be overstated. It's the fuel that powers the machine, the magic ingredient that lets the AI create content that can sometimes feel eerily human. Machine learning is the heart of generative AI, beating life into the generated content. It's the key that unlocks the door to a world of artificial creativity, a world where AI doesn't just mimic human intelligence, but also emulates human imagination. The impact of generative AI is far-reaching and transformative. This isn't just a fancy statement to impress you, it's the reality of our world today. Generative AI, the brainchild of machine learning, is revolutionizing numerous sectors with its creative prowess. Think about the realm of art. Traditionally, art relied solely on human imagination, but today, generative AI can create stunning artwork, producing pieces that are unique and thought-provoking, challenging the conventional boundaries of creativity. From surreal landscapes to intricate portraits, generative AI is painting a new world of possibilities. Now let's tune into the world of music. Composing a symphony or a catchy pop tune requires a deep understanding of rhythm, melody, and harmony. With generative AI, we're witnessing the birth of AI-composed music, which could be a game-changer for the music industry. Imagine having a personalized score for your independent film or a unique soundtrack for your next workout session, all composed by an AI. And how about literature? Generative AI is not just about creating art or music. It's also penning down stories, articles, and even poetry. These AI authors are capable of generating content that can captivate readers, offering a fresh perspective that's devoid of human bias. But it's not all about creativity. Generative AI is also making waves in sectors like healthcare and manufacturing. In healthcare, it can generate virtual patients for medical training, enabling doctors to practice complex procedures without risking human lives. In manufacturing, generative AI can design new materials or optimize production processes, driving efficiency and innovation. Generative AI is not just a tool, it's a partner, a collaborator, a co-creator. It's a testament to human ingenuity, a symbol of our relentless pursuit of innovation, and a beacon guiding us into a future where technology and creativity coalesce in ways we've never imagined. The possibilities with generative AI are endless, weaving a new future with each creation. The future of generative AI is as exciting as it is unpredictable. As we venture into the uncharted territories of artificial intelligence, we see a future where the creative capacities of machines could rival or even surpass that of humans. Imagine a world where AI could generate entire novels intricately woven with plot twists and characters that stir our emotions. Or envision a reality where AI could create music that resonates with our deepest feelings, transcending the boundaries of language and culture. These are not just figments of our imagination, but real possibilities that the future of generative AI holds. But as with any technological advancement, there are challenges to overcome and ethical considerations to address. The question of originality and authenticity in AI-generated content is a constant topic of debate. How do we attribute credit when a piece of art, a novel, or a symphony is created by an AI? These are complex issues that we must grapple with as we continue to push the boundaries of what machines can do. In the realm of research and development, the pace is unrelenting. Scientists and researchers across the globe are tirelessly working on improving the capabilities of generative AI. From honing the ability of these systems to understand and mimic human emotions, to enhancing their capacity to generate more complex and nuanced content, the advancements in the field are nothing short of remarkable. The growth and progression of generative AI also promise to revolutionize various sectors. In healthcare, for instance, it could be used to create personalized treatment plans or predict disease progression based on a patient's unique genetic makeup. In education, it could customize learning experiences to suit individual learning styles and capabilities. The possibilities are truly endless. As we stand on the precipice of this new era, it's thrilling to think of the potential that lies ahead. The future of generative AI is not a distant reality, but an ever-evolving present that we're actively shaping. The future of generative AI is a fascinating journey that we're all a part of, shaping a world where machines can create as we do.